Hey folks, it's July 10th, Saturday evening. Sun's going down. And we're up here and we're just going to do a little bit of a harvest, and look how our tomatoes are doing. Looks like everything's doing really well. Even the tobacco, we had 2 really good rains, and we even have some tobacco flowering here. And I've planted a couple other ones that I had in trays. Some of them have not done so well because of the hornworms have attacked them. I'll go ahead and keep this. This looks like a really healthy one. It's the first one that came up. So looks like hornworms are getting to these. Oh, that's not good. But, you know, I think I'll have plenty of leaves, hopefully. We'll see. All right, so I've got some more planted in here. We'll see how they do. And of course, the sunflowers. Got a nice sunflower with a bee on it. Sorry, bee. But yeah, got some sunflowers coming up. All right, got another tobacco plant there. Got some sweet potatoes all along here. And then I planted some beans with seed all along there. We've got a watermelon right there and there. And here, they're starting to creep away and they're getting blossoms on them. And we got 2 pumpkins. So I need to spray them, and I have a couple pumpkins here that aren't doing as well. So these are, looks like they'll be the ones that produce. And corn over here is coming up pretty good. So you can see that coming up. Sweet potatoes in the containers, starting to vine out. So looking good. All right, let's see what we've got here. So I've got a lot of green beans here that are ready to harvest. So we're going to go ahead and do that. A lot of good green beans. I've already harvested an ear here. They're kind of small, and I think my problem is that I just haven't been able to get enough water in this raised bed. It just hasn't, it's been really spotty. See how small this ear is? It just haven't been able to get all of the water that it needs. So just a learning experience here. Looks like we have some tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes producing there. And cucumbers, they like to hide. Got a lot of flowers on those. And then a lot of cherry tomatoes coming. So, and we got some peppers. They're still small. But no tomatoes ripe yet. I want to wait until they ripen on the vine before I pick them. But we got lots of fruit here. Lots of tomatoes. Probably ought to tie that up. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, laden with fruit, the tomatoes. Then we got some of these cherry tomatoes that are ready to eat. So we'll add that to our menu tonight. All right, I have to come up here every day, I think, now with the cherry tomatoes. Start picking. All right. Okay, just wanted to give a quick update. We've been off the entire week, enjoying a week of vacation, July 4th, and it's been nice. I've been able to get a lot done, and just, this is the funnest part of it, is working in the garden. So take care.